Hey, first years. First of all, a big congrats to all of you for making it to NIT Trichy. So, talking about Spider, we are the official research and development club of our college. Now, we are a set of motivated people working across a plethora of domains. We are a multidisciplinary club and we undertake industry relevant projects in areas of machine learning, artificial intelligence, electronics, embedded systems, robotics, computer technology, along with app and web development. Basically, you name any trending technology out there, and we have people working towards it, even blockchain for that matter. So we aim to take research and development projects in our college and across our country to greater heights. And for that, we are constantly brainstorming towards new ideas, whether it's in the form of hackathons or it's in the form of our club projects. Coming to the profiles inside Spider, we have four profiles in Spider. The first one is algorithms, then app development, tronics, and web development. I'll call upon Harshit to talk about the algorithms profile.
So yeah, hello guys. I'll talk about the algorithms profile, also known as the algos profile in Spider. So in the algos profile, we usually focus on competitive coding, problem solving, and we are a group of people who are just basically algorithms enthusiasts. We usually stick to Codeforces, CodeChef, Spots, AdCoder, and name a competitive coding website. We'll always have people working problems there. Coming on to the things that we do, we host a lot of competitive coding contests, and there are knowledge sharing sessions and problem discussions. We all sit together and solve a lot of ICPC based problems. And the main focus for us on hosting events is the Trinitarian Cup and the Algo Cup, along with IC Cup and few other competitive coding contests for the college people. We mainly focus on working on the prestigious ICPC competition, and we have people doing a great job all around the competition, going to regionals and stuff.
The app development domain. Who are we? We are app developers, we are research enthusiasts, we are UI UX designers. So we do multiple projects across the SEM. For example, we did the orientation app. You guys will be using it when you're on the orientation. So the orientation app is all about conducting events and affairs and taking care of all the stuff during orientation for freshers. So orientation 20, as the app mentioned last year. So this year it will be orientation 21. And the technology stacks we use multiple technology stacks in app development, many open source technologies. So in this app, we learned new technologies and implemented React Native, and we did Django backend with the app. So we also collaborate with web development profile to set up the backend. Yeah, next project we do is Sports Suite app. Sports Suite is the interdepartmental sports festival of NIT Trichy. So basically, we developed the app for the Sports Suite. So the mobile app takes care of all the events, conducting event schedules, department leaderboards, live commentary, game fixtures, player achievements, etc. Moving on to the next project we did last year was Trichy Police app. So the Trichy Police wanted a complaint management system, so we volunteered to make the app for them. So the technology stack uses Java, Adobe XD for scanning documents and stuff. So main features are OTP authentication, filing complaints, and assigning complaints to multiple officers across multiple precincts. And we can download reports.
I'm Kitika Srinivasan, final year ECE, and I'm here to talk about the Tronics division of Spider. So these are the various subdomains within Tronics: electronics and embedded systems, where we dive deep into the world of microcontrollers such as Arduinos and Raspberry Pis; AI and machine learning, where we develop algorithms and novel architectures for problems in CV, NLP, and RL. We also work on robotics and simulations; and Internet of Things, where we regularly use tools from the IoT tech stack for communication between our bots. So these are some of the club projects that we worked on in the last year. BBots 3.0. BBots is a swarm robotics project that aims to explore swarm intelligence. And have you ever been inspired by how fishes and birds move in a swarm? So this project is related to that. DarkSight is a project that attains extreme low light image enhancement by combining video feeds from a regular camera and a thermal camera using computer vision concepts. Crawl Locator is a remotely controlled amphibious bot that can travel in a disaster zone, locate victims, and transmit their location back.
So we are a set of enthusiastic web developers who do projects all the time, and which have factors with research and both development. So we do multiple projects across the year. Some of the projects which related to admin projects we do are, so we take care of the MES registrations and stuff for the college. So we use we created the MESS portal for the college, and also we created document portal for the college. People can request documents from the college admin and get their documents. We also did the hostel allotment portal. This is used for allocating people to the hostel every year. We have subdomains in web development. The one is core web development. Under this subdomain, it's testing and building beautiful applications, UI, UX design and stuff. So, and the next subdomain is the DevOps. This subdomain concerns itself with the deploying websites, server management, production-ready software, etc.
Yeah, guys. So basically, what it takes to be a part of the Spider Club. So the process generally starts at the end of your January session. So by the end of May, we will be releasing registration forms, and you guys can register, and you can choose more than one profile as well to be a part of Spider. And after that, we'll be releasing a set of tasks, and those set of tasks will start from the basics, and it will build upon your concepts, and the difficulty keeps on increasing with every task. And at the same time, we'll also be assigning you mentors to each one of you, and you can always ask doubts to your mentors. So if you perform well in the tasks, we'll shortlist you for personal interviews, and after your performance in the personal interviews, we'll select finally some people in each of the domains. So this is about Spider and how to get inducted into Spider. All it takes to be in Spider is a real interest, a real passion towards technology, and the ability to adapt to something new. So this is Gaurav, the current president of Spider, and we are signing off, and we hope to see you soon for Inductions 22.